everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to today's video and you're welcome back to my channel. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a great ingredient that would help you for unblocking your fallopian tube and keeping you healthy, keeping you ready to be able to receive the baby. Yay! And keeping you clean, all right, so this is an amazing drink and it helps so much, and I'm sure you're going to be loving it. The taste is unique, the color is friendly, and it is really good. Okay, so you have to go give this a try. All right, let me take you right into this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and now let's go. Alright guys, so for TCC women, use this for 7 days, okay, and unblock those fallopian tube, shrink fibroid, and get pregnant really soon. Okay, so you're going to be needing to use this, and this is lime. This is our local lime. It looks like this, green and very small. Now lime is a great remedy when it comes to shrinking fibroid. Like seriously, like honestly, even if you go to an herbal doctor, and then you tell him or her you want to shrink your fibroid or you want to remove it, and then you want something that will help you to unblock your fallopian tube, what they will actually mix for you, among them would be this, and this is lime. Okay, so what you do here in this lime is that, now some lime don't contain much juice, just like mine, so I'm actually just squeezing and trying to squeeze it out, so that at least I can have just a little of the juice out. Okay, so I squeeze out all of the particles in the lime, and now this is what I'm going to do. Since I've squeezed them out, I'm going to be pressing it this way, so at least I can have just a little of the juice out. Okay, so the very next ingredient I'm going to be needing for this is apple cider vinegar. Okay, you have to get your organic raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar. The one that contains the more than 8 is going to do this job, guys. You want to shrink those fibroids, you want to unblock a fallopian tube, try this. It's going to help you a whole lot. So what we're going to do is that we're going to be needing just 2 cups of this apple cider vinegar into the lemon. Now you're not only taking this just for reduction, just for shrinking your fat, just for shrinking fibroid, you're also taking it to reduce fat. So even if you have fat in your body, this is going to help you so much. And there comes another one, lemon. Now lemon is actually a very great ingredient that contains a citric nature, just like lime that I use, to actually help in diminishing and removing those fibroids. So I'm gonna be squeezing in half cut of lemon, since I've already put in 2 pieces of lime that doesn't actually have much juice, and this is it. Now this is how it looks like, guys. When you're actually ready to get pregnant, that's when you're going to be taking this. This is also going to reduce your weight a whole lot. Okay, so if you're not aiming reducing. Well, you drink it so it could help you in other stuff like shrinking all of those stuff and removing it, okay, but it's still going to remove a little bit of weight, and so you could be fit, to conceive. Also, we're going to be needing to use garlic. Now, garlic is a great medicine. It helps so much for the body, and it helps to heal you up. It makes you strong, and it helps in terms of shrinking all of those growth. Like if you have any growth, be it on your skin or in your skin, garlic would help you do that. Now, do you know that garlic actually helps in shrinking skin tag on the skin? Yes, it does a whole of that. It does that. So since it does to shrink and make your skin tag disappear, it does also make your fibroid from the inside, shrink it up and make it disappear, and you are healthy. So after that is done, I have 3 cloves of small garlic, and I'm going to be putting it into this cup, and then we're equally going to be needing this, and this is ginger. Okay, so you're going to be needing just a little piece of ginger because we don't want too much of this, because we've got a whole lot of this into a whole lot of effective ingredients into this. So what we'll do now is that we'll peel it all off. So I just finished cutting the ginger into pieces, and I'm going to be putting that into the blender. I'm going to be putting a little water into it. I'm going to make sure to blend this. Alright guys, so after blending this, now I would have to be turning this other ingredient into the blender and also blend a little so that I would have a little more of the lime. Okay, just a little of that is better. And then I would have to be sieving that into a cup. Okay guys, so this is it. Okay, so you drink this 2 times in a week only, okay, because you don't need to shrink up your body too much. 2 times in a week only. Be consistent in this. 2 times in a week, 2 times in a week. It shrink all of your fibroid, and it unclog your fallopian tube, except it is tied. But if it is not tied, this would unblock it. It will unclog it to remove anything that is just between the way. If your ovaries are swollen, it's going to help to heal it all up, and you are going to be ready for receiving a baby and starting up a life. Okay, so go give this a go 2 times in a week. Well, for me right now, I am pregnant, very heavy. Okay, so I cannot take this right now. Okay, but of course, if you're expectant mommy, if you're expecting, okay, you'd have to try this out. All of the things in here are very natural and they're very edible, and you don't have any reason not to try it out. Okay, since you are expecting, my dear, go ahead and give this a go and you're going to be happy you did. Okay, so that's it, guys. Go give this drink a try and I'm sure it's going to help you so much to unblock, shrink and clean your womb, literally, and you are gonna be a happy mom very soon. All right, so I know that some of you guys are gonna say babies are from God. Yes, of course, babies are from God Almighty, but we would have to also take care of ourselves, be clean and be ready to conceive the God-gifted baby. So that's it. If you do love this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.